So a new warning for you from the DEA. They say a new drug as dangerous as fentanyl has hit the DMV area.
It's known as ISO, and the Drug Enforcement Administration is worried about deadly consequences.
They spoke with our Jess Arnold, and she joins us now for this story that is new this morning. Okay, Jess, I know there's a lot of concerns around this new drug. Have there been any overdoses connected to this drug?
And that's, of course, one of the things I asked the DEA agent I spoke with, and she said they haven't seen any documented cases specifically tied to ISO, but they're sounding the alarm about it because there's a high potential for overdoses. So here's what you need to know. It's called isotonitazene.
It's at least as strong as fentanyl.
And DEA intelligence analyst Maura Gaffney says it's hit the DC region.
It caused a lot of overdoses in the Midwest to begin with. It didn't show up here until last August, so that's about 9 months ago.
The DEA says so far they found it mixed with other substances like fentanyl, heroin, and M30 opioid tablets like these. And this part is key.
You have an increased risk of overdose, but on the other hand, there's no way for somebody who's using a test strip to know that there's something else in there.
Get that? There are test strips to detect if fentanyl is in a drug you're about to use. The DEA says ISO will not show up on them, so there's no way to detect it before ingesting it.
Drug traffickers do not have quality control. So even if you've tried something from your drug trafficker before and it was fine and you didn't have any ill effects, the next dose could be the one that kills you.
So the message is the same. Don't take any drugs that aren't prescribed to you. It's a game of Russian roulette. The DEA says that they haven't heard of people specifically asking for ISO. It's getting mixed in somewhere on the production line, but they do say it's coming from China, and they already have it listed as a Schedule 1 controlled substance. That means it has a high potential for abuse, and it also allows for certain criminal sentences if they decide to pursue any prosecution in these cases. Guys.
Wow.
Scary stuff. Talk to your kids. Talk to your kids so they don't take these drugs.
Exactly.
All right, thank you.